This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: fresh fuel, correct oil, and full water supply. Connect the garden hose, then attach high-pressure hose, lance, and chosen nozzle. Make sure safety lock is engaged. Prime the pump by depressing trigger until steady water flows, because air causes cavitation and damages seals. Once you see a solid stream, set choke for a cold start, pull the recoil firmly, and let the engine warm briefly so oil circulates. Now you switch to execution. Choose the correct nozzle for the surface because angle changes pressure and cleaning effect. Start with a wider spray and hold the lance 12 to 24 inches away, then move closer only if needed. Use controlled, overlapping passes at a steady pace. This ensures even cleaning and prevents streaks. If using detergent, apply low-pressure soap first, wait briefly, then switch back to high pressure to rinse. Make sure to manage throttle so you avoid surface damage. To finish, you flush the pump, disconnect detergent, run clean water until clear, then turn off the engine and shut the fuel. Depress the trigger to release residual pressure and store hoses coiled with caps on fittings to prevent damage. If performance drops or you see low pressure, check nozzle for blockage, inspect the hose for leaks, verify full water supply, and clean the inlet filter. These steps fix most issues quickly. If leaks persist, stop and replace faulty parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.